So your rule again, remember we're finding sum and average of all the numbers. So the rule is, do I want to go to each cell in the array? And the answer is yes. To find the sum, I've got to go to each one. For R, assign the value 1 to 5. Do begin. For C, assign the value 1 to 4. Do begin. And sum. Sum takes on the value sum plus. Get the value from your array, ARR marks, RC. Okay. End. And because this is an accumulator, we need to set sum to 0. Okay, so we set sum to 0. We have our nested loops, build in our accumulator. It's going to accumulate all the marks, and then outside of the loop, after the loop has run 20 times and it's worked out, it's accumulated the sum, then you're going to work out the average, which is going to be sum divided by 20. You know, another nice way would have been to create two constants. One constant for the row and set it to 5, and one constant for the C and set it to 4. And each time you write the loop, you run the loop from 1 to your row constant and from 1 to the column constant. And the advantage of doing something like that, where you use constants, is that if the size of your array needs to change, all you need to do is change the values at one location in your constant section, as opposed to going to every routine, every button, and changing the values here. Changing the values. Right? If you used constants, then you'll use the constant values or whatever constant you stored it in, and you put those constants there. And then if you're working on average, you'll multiply the two constants. Right? And then here now to display, you're going to say readout dot lines dot add and print the sum. What's that, string to int or int to string? Int to string sum. And then you could also display the average in a similar way after that.